Connie Ragen Green here. I'm coming to you from an area called Bodega Bay, and it's just gorgeous. It's a little overcast today, but it's still so beautiful. And the reason we stopped here is way out where you can't see. It's pretty far out there. We're trying to figure out if it's whales. We think there might be a couple of whales out there. But this is such a beautiful part of California, and I don't even know what it's called exactly. It's north of Carmel and Monterey and south of San Francisco, if that gives you an idea. But the reason I'm able to do this on a Friday afternoon is because I have my online business, which I love very much. Most of my adult life, I had been at a job of some type where I would be working Monday through Friday, especially I was teaching for 20 years, and it was seldom that I would be able to get away to do anything similar to this. So I'd love to help you with that. I'm at ConnieRagenGreen.com, or find me on Twitter. I'm Connie Green on Twitter. And right now, I'm going to show you a little bit more of this area. Bodega Bay, California. Connie Ragen Green, over and out.